Hey guys, how's it going? How to create highlight reels with RevId AI. To create highlight reels with RevId AI, you could go ahead and click create a new video and add your script, right? And then use basically the template to generate from here, TikTok short, YouTube short, of course, and the reel generator, right? You could do that, or you can just apply it to an already project that you have. For example, in my case, I'm going to go ahead to the home page and open up my project, and I have this project, right? And of course the voice is pretty short, so the duration is very short. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just demonstrate how it's done. You can just go ahead and click the media right here, or this photo on your video, and then click right here to delete and add new media, right? And you can add for multiple footage, right? Or or videos from the RevId AI, right, that talks about this topic. Or you could just right here delete your search in order to generalize and add more footage to the videos. Here you're gonna see generated images, and you could choose, of course, the preset generation preset. If you want to generate a video or add generated video, you could just go ahead and add it from your files, right? And you can see right here the library, right? And here you can see the generate videos or images, right? You can add your own images or videos from here. Okay, you can scroll a little bit down and see the many footage right here that you can add, right? Or you can generate right here images from prompt. So you can write a prompt like cute little robot running in the forest, and then the RevId AI will generate the image. In terms of videos, you can generate from prompt or add your own videos to create your own highlight reels. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to trim or arrange clips, you can do it inside this clip. Select your video and then delete it and add another video, or just replace the image or videos instead of like in each other's places, like to arrange them. And if you want to add effects, you could just go ahead and click the overlays and add right here the Shakura, the turbulence bouquet, and the many other filters, and basically optimize for platform. You can see right here the size. You can change the 9 by 16, which is for TikTok and Reels and Short, or you can use it 16 by 9, which is for YouTube videos, like long form YouTube videos. And then after you finish, hit export at the top, and then select your resolution, the format, and the compression and the frame rate, and then move along to export the video. And basically, once you're happy with the reel, export it in appropriate format and resolution. And let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.